There are no such thing as ghouls, ghosts, goblins, or monsters. Now listen up. There is absolutely no such thing as...
This is like the opposite of what I wanted to do today.
Stand back, sir. I'll protect you.
Oh, yeah!
Run to me.
Save us from the man with the hats. Save us from the curse. Yeah, it's gonna get worse.
Where's Scooby?
I don't know, but I hope he's okay.
Go.
Let's go.
Everybody hold on!
I have a sinking feeling these dudes aren't brainwashed cult members.
And what are they? What do they want with the college students? We need to follow them.
Say what?
So we can defeat the creatures and save Fred and Velma.
Well, that's sort of like my plan. We just get the heck out of here and let the creatures eat Fred and Velma.
No way. Fred and Velma always figured out everything. Now it's our turn, Shaggy. For the first time, they're the damsels in distress. Not me. Help?
Timber,